electric-powered bike requires no fuel, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. You'll grow beautiful flowers in your garden using recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and rocks, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption.